In search of a new identity. Once upon a time, Billy was a young rabbit who was leading a carefree life in the animal kingdom. One day, he got up early in the morning and hopped around the house until his parents woke up. Suddenly, he heard Miss Bluebird singing her favorite song. Billy could not see her at once, so he hopped towards the tree from which the sound of her singing came. Then Billy saw Miss Bluebird sitting prettily on a branch and singing happily. "Good morning, Miss Bluebird. I'm delighted to hear your song. Sometimes I envy you because you can fly in the air, and you can also sing very sweetly. On my part, I can't sing a song, nor can I fly in the air," said Billy, dropping a tear. "I am sorry to hear that, but not all can sing, and all can't fly. We have different jobs to do in the animal kingdom. Therefore, there is no reason for you to worry so much," replied Miss Bluebird. However, Miss Bluebird could not stop Billy crying, so she started singing another song. Billy left her even without bidding goodbye and hopped towards the pond to drink some water. Before Billy could drink some water, Mr. Frog started croaking loudly as ever. "What's wrong with you, Mr. Frog?" questioned Billy. "Oh, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm singing my favorite song. If you like, sit there and listen to me," said Mr. Frog. Mr. Frog's reply made Billy very unhappy. "I can't fly or sing like Miss Bluebird, and how I can't even croak or swim like you. I must do something about it," said Billy, and he went home hurriedly. Even without telling his parents, Billy took his small umbrella and climbed a tree which stood near the pond. Then he unfurled the umbrella and jumped off a branch, thinking that he could fly like Miss Bluebird. Splash! Mr. Frog turned his head only to see poor Billy struggling in the water. "What are you doing, Billy?" asked Mr. Frog. "I'm trying to swim like you," said Billy. "Ha ha ha! Soon you will go underwater," said Mr. Frog, giving a helping hand to Billy to come out of the difficulty. While hopping back home, Billy firmly decided to remain a rabbit without trying to imitate Miss Bluebird or Mr. Frog. Moral: embrace who you are instead of trying to be someone else. Everyone has unique strengths and talents. Your true happiness lies in accepting and celebrating your own identity. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.